The world of business is really changing, and there's a lot of disruption, not just in the terms of the amount of data that we now capture, but we have the ability to make use of it. So it's really a competitive marketplace where businesses are trying to make the most out of their data better than another business. So they give you a better product, market a better service to you, and they'll ultimately be the future business leaders, the ones that use our data well. So there's a huge demand for business data analytics. And what we mean by that is you have people that have the business skills as well as the technical coding analytic skills, and you put them together so they not only can produce amazing predictive models, but they can talk the language of business and talk to managers and make it make sense to people. We're really excited to launch these programs and invite new students in, because it's us actually having a chance to live what we're teaching in terms of being data driven. The great thing for students who study business data analytics is there's a lot of jobs out there. A lot of surveys also say that they're some of the happiest employees because they're really high in demand. There's a lot more jobs out there than we actually produce as graduates. And it's far ranging from accounting firms, they need data analysts. We also have people managing risk, they need to work out with their data. People from a marketing or sales background, how do they interpret and make sense of all the data they're collecting on their customers? And you can keep going into engineering, mining, transportation. The careers are really endless, and it's definitely something where you can get jobs locally or you can go abroad as well.